Life is like a beautiful, intricate mobile. Each piece represents a different part of us. We have our work, our relationships, our passions, and our health. When these pieces are in harmony, life feels balanced and whole. We feel joy, peace, and purpose. But what happens when one piece gets too heavy? What if we focus too much on work and neglect our relationships? What if we pour all our energy into our passions and forget to take care of our bodies? The whole mobile starts to wobble. We feel stressed, anxious, and out of sync. This is why balance is so important. It's not about giving every piece the same amount of attention. It's about finding a rhythm that works for us. It's about listening to our bodies and our hearts. It's about making choices that nourish our whole selves. Internal health is the foundation of our well-being. It's about what we put into our bodies and how we move them. Imagine your body as a garden. To thrive, it needs the right nourishment and care. A healthy diet is like providing your garden with fertile soil, fresh water, and plenty of sunshine. Think colorful fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods give your body the energy it needs to thrive. Exercise is like tending to your garden. It helps you grow strong, flexible, and resilient. Find an activity you enjoy. Walking, dancing, swimming, anything that gets you moving. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start by adding an extra serving of vegetables to your plate or taking a brisk walk during your lunch break. External health is about creating an environment that supports our well-being. It's about the air we breathe, the quality of our sleep, and the spaces we inhabit. Think of your bedroom as a sanctuary. Make it cool, dark, and quiet to promote restful sleep. Our bodies need sleep to repair, restore, and rejuvenate. Our environment plays a big role in how we feel. Spend time in nature. Open your windows and let fresh air in. Surround yourself with things that bring you joy. Pay attention to your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch? Make small adjustments to create a more harmonious and supportive space. Mental health is about cultivating inner peace and resilience. It's about managing stress, practicing mindfulness, and nurturing our emotional well-being. Imagine your mind as a calm lake. Stress and negative thoughts are like ripples disturbing the stillness. Mindfulness is about learning to observe these ripples without letting them consume us. Take a few deep breaths. Focus on the present moment. Notice the sensations in your body. Engage in activities that bring you joy and peace. Remember, you are worthy of love, compassion, and connection. Reach out to loved ones, seek support when you need it, and prioritize self-care. A balanced life is an achievable goal. It's about making small, consistent choices that nourish your whole self, inside and out.